Welcome to another exciting walking tour, this time through Ginza, Japan's luxurious shopping and cultural district. Today, we're exploring everything from the traditional to the modern, starting at a truly iconic spot. Our journey begins outside the famous Kabukiza Theater, where centuries-old Japanese performing arts still thrive. Even if you don't have time to catch a show, walking past this beautiful building is an experience in itself. From here, we're heading towards the Tsukiji Outer Market, a foodie paradise just a short walk away. On the way, the streets of Ginza showcase a wonderful mix of traditional and modern Tokyo life. Tsukiji is called the Tsukiji Outer Market because it refers to the remaining section of the larger Tsukiji Market complex after the inner wholesale market was relocated. The inner market was where the wholesale auctions of fish and seafood took place, including the famous tuna auctions. It was a more restricted area, mainly for wholesalers, restaurant buyers, and fishmongers. In October 2018, the inner market was relocated to a new, more modern facility in Toyosu, about 2 kilometers away, and is now called the Toyosu Fish Market. The relocation was due to concerns over space, hygiene, and outdated infrastructure at the original Tsukiji Inner Market. Meanwhile, the Tsukiji Outer Market remained in its original location and continues to operate. We've made it to Tsukiji Outer Market. First up, I couldn't resist trying some freshly cut tuna. Just look at how vibrant it is. This is melt-in-your-mouth quality, straight from the market. Next, I had to grab a freshly shucked oyster. The oysters here are huge, briny, and bursting with flavor. If you're a seafood lover, this is the place to be. And for something a little different, fried sweet potatoes, just like the ones from Kawagoe. These sweet crispy treats are the perfect snack while exploring the market. They have a golden crunchy exterior and a soft sweet center. Absolutely delicious. Whether you're here for fresh seafood, unique snacks, or just to experience the vibrant atmosphere, Tsukiji Outer Market is a must-visit on any Ginza walking tour. But the adventure doesn't stop here. Let's continue exploring more of Ginza's top spots as we head towards some of the district's most exciting landmarks. Our next stop is the Sukijhongwanji Temple. It is a unique Buddhist temple in Tokyo, known for its distinctive Indian-style architecture, which sets it apart from the traditional Japanese temples. It was built in 1934 and belongs to the Jodo Shinshu sect of Buddhism. The temple's origins date back to 1617, when it was initially located in Asakusa, Tokyo. However, it was destroyed by fire during the Great Fire of Meiriki in 1657 and was later moved to the Tsukiji area. The current building was constructed in 1934 after the previous structure was destroyed in the Great Kanto earthquake of 1923. The design of the temple was led by Shuta Ito, a famous Japanese architect. Instead of the traditional Japanese wooden structure with sloping roofs, Sukijhongwanji's design incorporates influences from ancient Indian Buddhist architecture, particularly drawing inspiration from Bodhgaya in India. Inside, the temple maintains a blend of traditional Buddhist elements with a more modern design, offering a peaceful and serene atmosphere for worshippers and visitors. Next, we head into the heart of Ginza's shopping district. One of the must-visit stores here is the massive 12-story Uniqlo Ginza. Whether you're looking for the latest fashion trends or classic staples, this flagship store has it all. You'll find everything from Uniqlo's regular collections to special collaborations exclusive to Japan. It's a shopper's dream. After some shopping, it's time for a fun and interactive meal at Kura Sushi, one of Ginza's top conveyor belt sushi spots. Choose from a wide variety of sushi dishes as they glide past you on the conveyor belt, all at an affordable price. You can also order special items directly from the kitchen, and they'll be delivered to your table on a high-speed conveyor. It's a modern twist on traditional sushi dining. For car enthusiasts, Nissan Crossing is a must-see. Located in the heart of Ginza, this sleek showroom showcases Nissan's latest innovations, from electric vehicles to futuristic concept cars. Let's start with the new models on display. Here we have Nissan's latest electric vehicles that embody their commitment to Nissan intelligent mobility. These cars not only look stunning, but also feature cutting-edge technology aimed at reducing emissions and enhancing safety. Nissan Ariya. This all-electric SUV combines sleek design with advanced tech. Nissan Z, a modern interpretation of the classic sports car, offering thrilling performance. Now let's take a moment to appreciate some classics. The Datsun brand holds a special place in automotive history, representing affordability and reliability. Here at Nissan Crossing, you can see models like the Datsun 240Z, which revolutionized sports cars in the 1970s. Datsun 510, known for its racing pedigree and timeless design. And Datsun Sedan, a symbol of practicality and efficiency during its time. Now we are off to Ginza 6, one of the most luxurious shopping complexes in the area. It's home to high-end brands, world-class restaurants, and of course the famous Suya Books. Suya Books at Ginza 6 isn't just any bookstore. It's an artistic experience. Browse through beautifully curated collections of books, art, and design, or just sit back with a coffee and enjoy the ambience. And don't forget to head up to the Rooftop Garden. This hidden oasis offers stunning panoramic views of Ginza and beyond, making it the perfect place to relax and unwind after a day of exploration. Ginza truly has something for everyone, whether you're here for food, fashion, or the latest technology. Thanks for joining me on this walking tour, and be sure to like and subscribe for more adventures in Japan.